Feels so compressed in the low back. Self-treats. Feels like he needs to be decompressed. There you go. Take that in. Deep breaths. Yeah.
Wowzers.
Should have felt that all the way down. Good. A lot of pain with like bending and extending back.
Okay. That just changed the game.
So it's been a while since you've been adjusted. Much different, right?
Oh, yes.
So your pain was like a 4 or 5, I think, when we started. How are you at right now?
Aside from the soreness, I mean,
Yeah.
nice.
Good job, man.
Thank you.